Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Capcut app. So just go to Capcut app first. Here you can see in the top left camera option, just click on the camera. After clicking it, here you can see it will open your back camera. You can also open your front camera just by clicking in the top left flip option, top right, sorry. You can see effects option which is beside the camera. Just click on the effects. Here you can choose effects that will show you just like the effects it shows. You can also choose makeup on the third option. Just by clicking the makeup, it will make up you. You can also choose here atmosphere. You can change the atmosphere of the video just like this. Here it shows. Here you can see in the right album option. Just click on the album. Here you can choose videos or photos from your gallery. So guys, this is how can you use Capcut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.